Hello everyone, Sam here from myforexmagicwave.com, making this video about the trades taken last week. So let's get started. Um, the week started on the 22nd, right? Monday, June 22nd. So this was one of the trade I had earlier. This entry here, you can see on the 22nd, which was Monday, right? And then the price retraced, and then another entry, and it went down. So the first entry from there to there, and this is from 7-minute chart. Now, I use the 7-minute chart because of the low volume. When you have a very low volume, thin volume, like we had this whole week last week, right? Just ended today, Friday. So the first entry, only produced 60, and the second one is 35. But altogether it's 95 pip. Now, this pair usually it has more than 200 pip daily range, right? And it can produce 200, 100, 140, 150 pip trade easily in normal circumstances and normal volume days, good volume days. But somehow this week was very slow, and it's a characteristic of June, July. Although it should be busy because people are not going on vacation because of the coronavirus, and staying home and then trading a lot. But yeah, this is a very slow week. So okay, so this one is Euro Aussie on 22nd. Again, on the 22nd, pound yen again from 100 pip from the 7-minute chart. Nice entry here, and then gone with the wind, right? And on the next day, on the 23rd, again use the 7-minute chart. Like I said, that low volume, and that's you have to adjust yourself. And the system is very good, and it allows you to adjust yourself according to the volume. And here on the 23rd, Euro USD, it went up. This is from 20-minute. Obviously, you can see it's only 50 pip, but this pair has low daily range as it is. It moves hardly 100 pip in a whole day. So getting 50 out of that is enough. On the 24th, and you can see here Euro Aussie again on 20 pip. 85 from this pair is nothing. Usually the daily range is more than 230, 40 pip, but it's just not moving this week. And on the 24th, again, pound Aussie. Also, this one also is like 60 pip only. The daily range is around 300 pip for this pair, but no volume, no moving. And there's a reason, because of the Aussie dollar is all the way up, hitting the TL, and it wants to drop, it wants to get weaker, but all the fundies are going or coming in the opposite direction. And actually, the news is keep coming good, and the Aussie dollar keep getting strong, even though it is all the way up high, hitting the TL, and need to drop a little bit. So people are very, reluctant to going long or go on the strong side. But what are we going to do if the news is coming good, right? So that's what's happening with that. On the 24th, see the pound newsy. This is the one, it's a monster. This also has a very big daily range, 110 pip, beautiful by the book entry, and all the way to the upside. On the 24th, USD CAD also, but it's only 60 pip. It is good for this pip, this pair. 60 pip is enough, right? Now on the 25th, you can see here, again, I had to switch on 7-minute chart, taking the 7-minute chart entry for 65 pip from here. Very nice entry in the volume time. And again, this pair is the one. This is the bread and butter. On the 26th, you can see again this start dropping. This was the first going up, and now coming down here, 120 pip from 20-minute chart. Pound Aussie on the 26th, means Friday. And then Friday, pound Aussie. You can see on Friday all pound pairs. Pound Aussie 26th June for 95 pip, nice drop. And pound yen, you can see 26th June, nice drop from here, 75 pip. And also pound USD from 7-minute chart for 70 pip, that is also on the 26th. This is a beautiful, beautiful, nice by the book setup, right? Why I had all these pound pair on Friday going down, all of them, I will show you in the next video and explain you what is the reason and how easy it is to have multiple choice, basically, that which trades you will have so many trades in your hand that you will have to choose between them, okay, or take all of them. So I made a chart where I said that all pound pair going to go down ahead of time 2 days ago, and then I took 4 trades of pound pairs, 4 pound pairs to the downside on the Friday. And I think Wednesday is the one that when I made the chart and showed it to everyone, I wrote on the chart that, because of this chart, all pound pair will be going down. And, they start to go down, and 4 trades totaling more than 400 pip in one day, that chart produced. So I'm going to show you that chart and the trades, all these trades, and explain how in the next video. Okay, so subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will, you will be getting some really good informational video every now and then. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And please be safe and practice social distance. Florida, Miami is right now peaking in coronavirus. This is where I am, and I'm, cuddling in my house and not going nowhere at all. Yeah, I go once in a while, do the shopping and everything, but maybe 1 or 2 times a week. That's all. But my family and we are just staying home. So if you like what you saw, just go on my website if you want to be a subscriber and wants to get a hold of the system, because it's very important now to learn something that you can make money from the house, and you don't have to go outside. And this is one of the best system, but this is the one of the dangerous system. I mean, it's a business, forex trading I'm talking about. If you try to do it without learning, that is the key. Learning is the key. It is very, very important. It's imperative that you learn properly. A lot of people make mistakes, and then they go and watch this video, this and that, and they end up learning, but the wrong things. And then it is very hard to erase them or take out take them out from your mind slate and then rewrite them. It's like a CD. You have to erase all the wrong things and then put the right things there, and it becomes very difficult. So it's important that from the beginning you learn something right and good, so that it will benefit you. Okay, so like I said, that go on my website and see if you can, if this is for you, and you have the ability to learn quickly, right? Something that, a little bit of work required. It's not it's easy, but effort has to be there. Okay, you have to do the effort to learn, and it will become easy. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.